We'll guide you through how to ensure your Dropbox privacy is top-notch. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture or initials, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you can enable two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Click Enable next to two-step verification and follow the prompts to set it up using your phone number or an authenticator app. This way, even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without your phone. Next, scroll down to check the Devices section. This shows all the devices currently linked to your Dropbox account. If you see any devices you don't recognize, click Unlink next to them. It's a good idea to regularly review this list to ensure only your trusted devices have access. Now, go over to the Connected Apps section. Here, you can manage third-party apps that have access to your Dropbox. Make sure to remove any apps you no longer use or don't recognize. Finally, while you're in the Security tab, consider changing your password if it hasn't been updated in a while. Use a strong, unique password combining letters, numbers, and symbols for the best protection. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your Dropbox privacy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.